Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here to show you how to do the blocking edge. It is a nice simple edging stitch that you can use mostly on blankets, but I think you could also do this stitch on quirky garments as well. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the tutorial. So for today's tutorial I will be using an alternate color like I did here so you guys can see it, and I will be using this bottom edge down here for my sample swatch. So I have another color here and I'm going to attach it on the right side of my work with the right side of it facing me. So this is the correct side of my work and I want that to face me as I'm working this stitch. So I'm just going to come over here to this right hand corner and attach my yarn. Alright, and now with my working yarn I'm going to chain one. Pull that down. Alright, and I am going to single crochet into that same stitch. Alright, and now I am going to single crochet into each stitch along here until I reach the end of my row. Alright, now I have reached the end of my row, so I'm going to chain one, turn my work. I'm going to skip this first single crochet, so I'm going to skip where I just chained, and I am going to place a single crochet into each of the following stitches for this entire row. So working into that next stitch and just single crocheting all the way across. Alright, now that is the end of row 2. Alright, now on to row 3. What we're going to do for row 3 is chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, gonna turn our work. Alright, and we're gonna skip these first 3 single crochets from the previous row. So that's the one that our chain 3 is coming out of. The next one, and the next one, and into the 4th single crochet we are going to place 1 double crochet. So yarn over and place a double crochet into that 4th stitch over. Now we are going to be working around this stem here, or this double crochet that we just created, and we are going to make 4 double crochets around that. So going to yarn over. You're going to cross your hook over the front of this double crochet and go around it, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Right, and that's our first double crochet. We're going to make 3 more. Oops. Double crochet, guys. Three. And 4. Alright, now we are going to skip the next 3 stitches from the double crochet that we used for our stem. So 1, 2, 3, and into this 4th one we are going to again place a double crochet. Now that we have made that next double crochet, we are going to do what we did to the last one and work 4 double crochets around this little stem here. So yarn over once, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And do that again. And again. And we're going to make our final and 4th one here. And then you're going to continue doing this all the way across your row, and when you reach the end of your row, you are simply going to chain 3, 2, 3, skip 3 single crochets, so 1, 2, 3, and work into that final little single crochet that can be kind of hidden there with a slip stitch. And you're going to chain 1 to fasten off. And that is how you do the blocking edge stitch. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. It helps out the channel so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. What would you like to learn how to do next? I'm all ears. Don't forget to also check me out on my other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for, Snapchat and TikTok. So I have a little something out there for everybody. Swing on by my blog for other patterns, tutorials, and little updates for Infiniti Crafting Co. And until next time, guys, happy making.